Yeah.
See, you perceive this house, Uji, Diana.
Oh, as I'm talking now, there for friends, I'm out in friends because the time nothing goes on, you get to a time when friends are sitting down and I'm coming, then they say, hey, bye, bye. This one will wake up and pass it, this one will, then it's like I'm alone. You understand me? So for that one, put there is pass. Just recently, I used to give my friends money,
Okay.
but when they have their own, they will hide it. I used to give my friends money for free, but when they will give me money, they will give me for borrowing.
Tinacha said, on Shadan Jimmy Pen,
David,
say
David,
when you are home.
David,
On
David.
Shroud, Rappany, and to quadruple was saying, and now, Oba boxing one as obey a boxer. What? Now, dear him, and I said, Ulusu, and as I said, make us say a bow, and I will, dear him, I said, Eddie impact the braille.
If I would take me and Bray Caparello in Australia,
Okay,
yeah, that fight is not my weight.
okay.
You understand me? The person is heavy more than me.
People who say, wait, you mean
But because of the money, oh yeah, I saw Bray Caparello. I can see this guy is heavyweight, complete. You understand me? I see it's heavyweight, but if I said I'm not fighting, then no money. So I have to take it like that. That's the fight. Uluzu or winning, the money they will give you, you will receive the same. So me and Break Apparello, no, I don't force myself and finish all the 12 rounds. Yeah, we are fighting, just not punch, and I fall down. The referee come and say, Mr. Powers, this punch don't touch you, wake up. And I said, Mr. Referee, you touch me.
Okay.
Yeah, because am I coming to die in Australia?
Okay.
No. Mommy, they will give you a punch. You will see some stars, small in your face, plenty. I have a fight with this guy, Serenda.
Okay.
Serenda, and Serenda give me a punch. I fall down. I see Serenda like 6. The one person I see him like 6. The referee who is in the ring too, I see him like 10. Then my face is going like this. My face is going like this. The time I'm okay, the referee said, "Oh, the fight is off." I said, "Why? I will fight." I go, "Oh, they finish you long time." Boxing. Hey, sir, Obi a boxer. No free about Chiba no Taska no man po manundi. Hey, my wife said I should stop. So
your wife said I should stop.
Gladys, she said, "Oh, I should stop the fight." So as I'm talking, I'm promoting the boxes.
Okay.
Yeah, because I love it. And once she said,
Tokado was saying, and I'll be a boxer. What? Oh my God, Tokado was saying,
oh, I have like almost 48 fights.
Wow.
And I won 30 fights. I lose almost 18.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm almost 3,000, 3 times national and West Africa champion in Ghana here. And I fight for the BBC International and I won. I'm going to defend it and I lose it. You understand me? Yeah, the reason why I said I travel a lot, the time I'm with my manager, Jonathan Fed, I don't fight in only London. We got fight outside of London, Germany. I went Germany, Hamburg.
Hamburg.
Yeah. Hamburg. Yeah. I've been there several times. Okay. If you know, they have some gym there. They call it Universum.
Yeah.
Universum. That's
Hamburg. Is it Bruno?
For that one, there is something. Yeah, but okay. I used so the time things became bad in my life, I feel it. But if
what did you say? Benson of Benson, dream car, we would do now share chess and number plates, now powers, hours day.
Hey.
Amount of sick saying, and I make us say more do a
if I would talk, do you know the time I'm fighting? Money now, my the time I'm fighting boxing, I don't get money like now. I'm not fighting, and after my deliverance, and money is coming from year and year. You understand me? So if I'm sitting, I can say God has done something for me. People don't understand me. You understand me? Yeah. To be a promoter, if you don't have getting to 4 billion, you can't promote a fight. You understand me?
Brabo mo die na obi dia ye wa eye o ya so now a wo be kasa die we die wutimi fa nche nipa ne da but e bia oni nipa no be sere oni ni be ase but ontimi fa nche ne da e die no bi die wo so now
My dear, a lot of people betrayed me, but I'm someone, when you betrayed me, I can't put it in my mind for more than 1 month. The person like I put in my mind that I will never talk to him in my life. As I now I'm talking to you, I'm talking to him. I can't hate somebody for the rest of my life. I can't do that. You understand me? Even a guy is my friend who try to date my baby mama. Not my girlfriend, my baby mama, Joshua mother.
how many children you have?
I have 2 kids.
Enti no oba ne be ma na
Ọba baako, Brema baako.
enti Joshua maame
Madam for pa. Madam for pa. But you know, Joshua mother too is Ewe. She don't like those. You know, Ewe girls. I know they don't like this kind of thing. You understand me? So Joshua mother don't want to tell me the thing. But when I'm seeing the guy, and because I can go out with the guy. Before I come home, Joshua mother know wherever we went. Madam. Yeah. I don't keep things. I don't hate. I'm someone I don't hate. I don't insult. Yeah, it's just that's what I used to do.
Na me see me south salady no we dey me ntwa no me chodi go be rem sisi a salady na obo a wo no ono na oye wo dey.
Yeah, my wife, no dey Joshua mother no.
Salady na oshia no.
Me shan wo La Paz no. It get to a time we have been praying through and I got a chance and I went to Australia. You understand me? So I went to Australia. I go and spend 5 years in Australia and I get a day mother.
Wow.
So I'm with Kerry and I said, what I passed through with this girl, I can't do that. So I told the girl that, Madam, I'm going back to Ghana. The girl said, she's white. She said, Papa, if you don't go and you leave here, you go back to Ghana, then count me out in your life.
Wow.
And I said to myself, I will suffer with a lady. I will get a chance to come to Abochi. Then I will see a woman. Then I will leave the girl. No, I'm going back.
Wow.
And I come back. By then I come back. I have money with me, and the girl decide that she has to give birth because there's money. Yes. You understand me?
Yes,
and we give birth to Joshua.
Oh, okay. Joshua ye shrapa.
Yeah.
All your bapeni won.
That be no second born.
Yes, so by Ayetey Power is na ma some dey offer no kwa.
Oh, I like women, but not like excuse me, but I am close to women. Women really
but
love
no, yes, open ma. Still na yes here room.
Mommy, the thing is, me if I said I love you, I love you.
Okay.
You understand me? Okay. But if I am not with you, I have to move forward. I can't stay.
Ekuma pa church break na me mama ekuma shada. Ekuma broni. Ekuma gono. Ekuma papa bi. Ekuma no filter. Ekuma original. Super. It's ya o de ya obi a. Obi e be sure say o ye mi nua be ma me last stop mo fedro. And again na ya ban bebre na you fake. As what the original. Agrongo a. Okay, so unware.
I don't worry. The woman I want to marry is Joshua mother. Okay. Later, she just said she told me that the pastor said I'm not the right husband. That is the end between me and her.
Okay. So now no, but we said so for now no, when your baby are open set for worry no, your baby that will come as well as worry.
Oh yes.
Oh okay. It's training that baby.
Oh, that one is here.
It's training that baby. I only know kasa. Already off camera. Only do kasa.
Anytime you feel like I have to come here with you, I will come.
No, yan share him so be worried about.
Oh, this year, definitely this year.
This year.
This year, what can come
okay.
This year.
But
because my dear, sometimes when I saw a man wearing their wearing, I'm happy. And me, you know what? Me at the time I would put ring on the ladies' hand like this. I would never. I used to say this. I'm not saying because of my woman is here. Okay. But I'm promising myself because me, if I'm married like this,
okay,
madam,
now,
from approach from national to international.
Yema Obroni Melissa met in a man, you're finding Chirana. Opposite, I didn't check camera on pen. But
she said if she can come.
Okay, I come out as okay, and see Opo Bano, Odon a party, opposite worrying.
Oh, yeah,
better be an near say. Obini, a serious girlfriend now. Opposite on a worry. Obini na kwada still there.
Oh, you know, it's one of those things. I can't. It's very hard to. You know, we men, we if we get to know that I have my girlfriend, somebody too is chopping. Yeah. That is what we don't like in life.
Okay, but still, yes or no? Better be nyane oba. Wakuma dinosaur, don't know who you're fair. Who claim it's all on the power on pen and you like everything about her, but idea the chin, and I say, dear, America credit the swam of worry. Bear may be in a quarter. Still, because our yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you, Miss Shirley.
Okay, I'm very for the case so na inchia obi biara o share sabi. Baby biara obi a share bia yichia na we are legend nyame insure ene modern boy won so waboa o my Ghana but wo kase mo no kakra meka ne say wa manyame eni wanimu kan e wa abrabonim o fele say wa hoodin betimi and at the same time school now we can school ho asem any day ma school ho hia papa because I put it to you say one na mabrabonim what to kwan say dia wo kase what to kwan no meaning said there was a day I wa regret say minya yanka me cool school.
Madam.
Yes.
Never and ever in my life. Where? I'm here and I'm telling you that I know people who go to school. They have their qualification papers. What to eat they don't have.
That one and no what you fair non to us.
No.
But make
when you said that me, I will sit down and blame myself.
No, I'm not saying you blame yourself. Ebia edu baby. Utie edu baby ebia wo chro bibi you obi eni ho you want someone say at least minya obi enko omo ame minim say at all
mommy
because there is no way you will tell me say
and I say it's not that you don't go cry but you have to know how to express yourself. Okay. You have to speak English. If it's not good, there are some white people when you are speaking English, they know where you are going. Yeah. They can understand you.
Yeah.
Like I said from the beginning, me English I don't speak. Through traveling small, and I come to try and manage and speak English. You understand me? I go back. I don't do thumb printing. Okay.
Me too I say bossu, your legend. Me too I say, but the American say. School obi a wo hwe me bia fatu trimu say no matter what school hu hia na wo ka say enka ye president emboa say obema kwalebu aye free eno so e ho me na wo ye adwen instead say wo si free education no ki en cancel na kwalebu enye free na ho o ye wrong school ya dia ene metimi aka say school abo ankofo bebre kanene no obi anko school kra na wotimi say abusua ni mu ne na ntawantawa wom abeifo ni ade bata na ebeye eto atwa kakra because I back to school ameso me back to school who ye graduate ameso me buy a graduate into sa what time kakra no eno atwam won say onipa bia wonim wo fapem wo wanim wonim ba bia wo kɔ no sometime wantwi ne beba but won bressa ni nyina ne say wo fapem you have a few
you don't know where I can see you don't know where
I feel your pain.
What I'm saying is, if I said His Excellency John Dramani Mama have to cancel the free SHS and make free college.
Yeah.
Madam.
Yes, dear.
Somebody can do if free Kolebu is there, we will save lives. And I don't think there are some people there, like I said, they don't go to school, but they are making it.
Okay.
You understand me? They don't go to school, but they are still making it, having what to eat, feeding people. The people who don't go to school, they are feeding people who go to school.
I know. Meaning, sir, who dear went to me, but your best same crofone crying. Obia was saying school, very important. Obia, at least within any some few things be there as a so utimi day, any more one would do chicha. Yeah, but near me come a bra bonimoa, wakum, kose. Say wakum ba de bia me ka say abrabo no wo bo no wa manya me anim wani mu kan a aya na ye nkobesie kakra
yeah what can we we've got all things
possible because minim say wo hu nyame ntem anka ba bia wo kone nam ye no enka anye den ama wo ye den ankobesie no ebeba wa brabom na
mommy me wa London no me kitaska. So people say me brother, when some of the bosses come to London, I used to London, you don't dash money like that.
Enti etoda mi ntwawa no me pacho etoda ya bu wia and amo konto kwani wia utimi yare be 2 yes mutimi yare be 2 months to say 3 months.
The only problem you have that maybe you can't wash your face.
No we ni ma mo no we ni ma ho. Yes etimi tutu musin nyina.
But you will eat soft food. Like fish, you can't chew fish. Me when I fight like 12 rounds and I finish, when I want to wash my face, when I take the water like this, I put it like that. Then I take towel to
be so be crying say obekun I mean ono so na ni je box and ho onku bia na.
The thing is, if somebody says you want to fight boxing, I will give the person advice to go on and fight.
Okay. You
understand me?
You enti pacho wadaroma ensema ya kan nyina no bonetofa wa futu camera eni na hwem na fa wa futu eto edwamaye na wo number bia bibia wo promote se bia wo team bia wo pese wo de telephone number eto dwa fato eho social media handles na chi adofo be mi no mame nti bonetofa
Ghanaians. Only what I would say to all Ghanaians that in this way that if you know God, you have everything. We should take our mind off from this kind of malam, juju, it can't work. If you pray to God and you will be disgraced, it's not like zero. If you know God and you want to, you will lose things to cry, it's not like 0 degree. But when we went to that kind of juju, the first time I said I want to do juju in my life, the fight I'm going to fight and I go and do that juju, they beat me mercilessly more than all the fights. So I can see that those kind of juju, they are lying to us. But if you put your trust in God, you will get there. The sky is your limit.
If you trust in God, you get there. The person bisa say boxes be brave and the Ghana has it, but when you become bank open will be any other boxes no more and I'm far baby and I'm begging.
That is what I'm saying. That
okay.
This way there, you have to know God. I don't know about Buko Banku, but me became celebrity is God. The time I went to synagogue church, all the prayer I pray in synagogue church, all come to pass. Only one thing left. But all what I pray to God I want in life, I see all.
Because your papa Zuma Nelson or Mandela or but I say, okay, your papa Zuma cried when you so one name Piebo. Yes, I quote it so but oh okay. But that's okay, say Ebia no omanini. Because that's will be about Bukom Bankune anyway. Make sure the but make sure the final words to Joshua camera in the final words.
Me sorry so na me the futu kakra ekoma eye yanga ya ba yen mayo ane mante wa ya ba. Say ye manyame eni ye nimu kan because abrabo ne se wo bo na wonnim nyame na won so a wonnim ba bi a wo de wo ho ato a ene na etoje wa ba dia meka ne se manyame eni wanimu kan because o wo awrade a o wade nyina minchia eye sweet opabel ono na ye me makeup esese me ho nyame inshaw na rechinso michia no
nyame inshaw and someone make us ye pon a na chese ba ko asan ba As yeah, time no. I say Ghana boxes. Ghana for no. Ene no. Yemfa mo nhye da nye hwe. I say sabi. Edru baby na say mo useless. Ewo Ghana for and I say the penny so. Who say den?
Mommy, what be say asan we? Me to be a president of Voice of Ghana Professional Bosses. The bosses all go and sit down and they look at the good thing I do for the bosses in this country.
Ooh.
As I'm sitting down here, I let more than 8 bosses travel to the world. Okay. Now they have their papers.
Wow.
Through me.
I mean, sure, but my last question, maybe sir, me for sure, start you know, as a boxer, no. In road also saying, who decided to be be successful.
And go back.
Okay.
I'm out. I'm talking about me and
okay. But we open.
Sometimes
because there
are some things if God do to you and you don't want to praise God, God will upset with you. Yeah. So me,
wow.
Do you know that I used to wake up and go and preach. Can you believe that?
Yeah, I can believe.
Yeah, I used to wake up and go and preach. When I'm preaching, people will think because of money. So when I'm going to preach, I have money with me. After preaching finish, I will share money to people because what I pass through, if it's not God, who am I?
It's a drone only one. I can't book back with the course one as a
where Ayetey book chachu.
Only book chachila. Only me a drone so. And a bomb
book chachu so a boxer.
To one in a coin. I want a neighbor corner. And I will call a drone so. Boom. Send a bay ya money more, but or boo. Not as a drone and yajuma. A patch of our telephone number to just send a bay ya or be person.
02078133530. Yeah.
Obia per se if you wa kwenye bia per so obi per so join ya say obeboa no obia say bia per so ye boxing and I say bia bibia obia betimi afrɛ e wo sa number no so
yeah if you call that number no you get
okay mpacho sanfa number no to dwa bi
02078133530.
na we need social media handles bia ho
only Facebook and
Nina Ayetey Powers.
Ayetey Powers.
Okay, chia wife na yenko.
Gladys, I love you so much, okay? Today, if this evening, what
love one thing. And you put na beka ye nyina say just me director, me producer. What mo mu nyina ya jealous. Just say na o pampa oba no ne ade the dia. Nyankopon hira bra pani nyame on hira. On show many aswade a why mama many if I to buy the technical problem kakra bi but short bra they say oh nyame on hira nyame hira many asododo me da se so buy na me nu me ho so da se be fa ozenu ya be ma nyame hira miss shodi nyankopon ko so hira and then na say experience ni mo du nti na yentimi anhye da ma wa mem bebre no na emrepam no da sane e be san atonsa asan afro nyankopon hira sa abreni na ye fra wa odi odo ebo odom eba beboa ye ni so bebre nyame hira